Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna talk to you about some really interesting news from the NFT world. So get ready for a story about art, digital collectibles, and a bit of auction house drama. Alright, let's get into it. Andrew Kang recently made waves by snagging an original Pepe NFT from the 3AC estate over at the Sotheby's sale. If I'm pronouncing them right, I'm not sure. For those who might not know, 3AC or Three Arrows Capital was a big deal in the crypto space before they hit rough waters. This sale was part of Sotheby's auctioning off what they called Grails NFTs from 3AC's collection. And get this, they described it as the largest ever live auction of digital art. They were aiming to pull in over $5 million from the sale, featuring works by some top-tier generative artists. The pieces up for grabs had a pretty hefty reputation in the digital art scene, especially since they were seized as part of the bankruptcy proceedings that kicked off for 3AC last July. But here's where it gets even juicier. Sotheby's has been pretty busy auctioning off parts of 3AC's rare NFT collection. The first round of sales brought in a cool $2.4 million, showcasing some heavyweight pieces like Videnza number 725 and Autoglyph, I think, number 187. But then a second auction absolutely knocked it out of the park, netting $10.9 million. And one piece known as the Goose went for a staggering $6.2 million on its own, smashing past any estimate. This whole saga really highlights the ongoing buzz and value around NFTs, despite the ups and downs of the broader crypto market. Andrew Kang stepping in to pick up a piece of digital art history alongside the smashing success of Sotheby's auctions really underlines the dynamic energy and investment interest in the NFT and digital art spaces. It's a vivid reminder that collectors and investors are still very much on the lookout for those unique and valuable finds from notable collections, like the treasures trove from the new defunct Three Arrows Capital. What do you think about the whole situation? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're into this kind of content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Catch you in the next one.